you know when someone's giving you a hickey? This is like that, but on your face. Hi Vogue, this is Jessica Alba. Watch my self-care beauty routine. I am ready to unwind and do a little self-care. I like to do a two-step cleanse when I do have a full face. So the first one is a gel to milk. And what's nice is it just sort of like breaks down all of the makeup, but because it's made with more natural ingredients, it doesn't sting my eyes, there's no perfume, no fragrance. It sort of transforms when you add water, and you can see it gets like sort of milky. I don't think there's like a non-messy way to wash your face. I feel like it's always pretty messy. So even though I'm cleansed, I just like that squeaky skin feeling. So I get a gel cleanser. And with the gel cleanser, I go like on the face. And then again with a warm washcloth. Now that my face is dry and cleansed, I'm gonna go in with vitamin C. And what I love about this vitamin C is it actually has 2 hyaluronic acids with it. So it brightens your skin without drying your skin out. This is a face contour and it's awesome. You basically just start like in the middle of your face, and it's sort of like, you know when someone's giving you a hickey? You know what that's like. But it just sort of lifts your face. And I'll do this at night or in the morning when I just wanna have like tighter skin. If I'm feeling like I'm retaining a lot of fluid, too much salt, too much booze, not sleeping enough, pretty much sounds like me every day. Like I'm done with this side of my face, but you can see that side is more lifted than that side. This one's sad, and that one's happy. Do you see the difference? I mean, it's pretty major. And so whenever I do this, I do like to have something on my face, and my 1-2 step is usually like the vitamin C serum, and then like the facial oil. And I find that like moisturizers are a little too heavy, but this is like actually life-changing. When I'm really trying to do the most for myself, I'll go in with the lip scrub and really go to town, and then a really luxurious lip butter and layer that on. And what's nice is if you put it on right before you sleep, then I feel like it just sort of penetrates. Now I'm gonna go in with this hydrogel cream. And what I like about this is it doesn't have any oil and it's mostly water. It has this time release, so if you're a more dry person, you basically don't rub it in. You can kind of leave this sort of film on your face. I'm combination skin, so where I'm more dry, like under my eyes and kind of around my nose, I leave it in, but where I'm more oily, I break it and I really rub it in. So then the time release is happening like under my eyes, but not necessarily here where I don't want it. One last piece of the puzzle to get the circulation going is I like to use this tool. I don't really know if I'm doing it right, but I feel like I might be. I just feel like it kind of gives you those cheekbones, and like under here, gets rid of that double chin that you don't want. That's all that blood circulating. So there you go. This is how I pamper myself. And this is a make under. Hey Vogue, this is Jessica Alba. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos.